Ever wondered why your stomach growls like a monster when you're hungry? It's not your stomach yelling at you. It's actually your intestines making that sound. This noise is called borborygmi, the rumbling of gas and fluid in your gut. When you're hungry, your brain signals your gut to contract and start moving stuff around. These contractions are called migrating motor complexes, and they keep your gut clean between meals. The growling is louder when your stomach's empty because there's no food to muffle it, so that rumble? It's just your gut doing its job and telling you it's snack time. Next time your tummy growls, don't be embarrassed. It means your body's working perfectly. Subscribe to our channel to be wise, always know your daily whys.